So today we will learn about the comparison operator. In the previous session we learned if-else statement and we had used strict equal to operator to test the condition. Today we will use other operators to test the condition. These are greater than equal to, less than equal to, strict equal to operator, which we had used in our previous session, not equal to, and strict not equal to operators. Now let's take them in action. Let me add 10 greater than 5. It returns true because number 10 is greater than number 5. If I update them to 10, it returns false because 10 is not greater than 10. Let me add greater than equal to. Now it again returns true because even though 10 is not greater than 10, 10 is equal to number 10. Now let me add negative 10 is less than 0. It returns true because all the negative numbers are always less than 0. Let's try to add string over here. This returns true because letter A comes before letter B. Now let me add string 10 is less than number 10. It returns false because the first one is string and the second one is a number. However, if you add equal to operator over here, it returns true. But if you add strict equal to over here, it returns false. Now let me give you another example. If I add empty string equal to 0, it returns true. And if you add strict equal to, it returns false. Basically, equal to operator ignores the data type. That is why most programmers prefer to use strict equal to rather than equal to operator. Now let's add 10 is not equal to 20. It returns true because they both are different number. However, if I add 10 is not equal to string 10, it returns false. So not equal to and equal to operator are same. They ignore the data types. So if I add strict not equal to over here, it returns true because one is number and another one is the string. And that's all. Feel free to use this operator in your program to make it more functional. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll cover the third topic, Boolean values. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.